Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your homeowner insurance policy on Lemonade, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your homeowner insurance policy on Lemonade, start by logging into your Lemonade account. Open your web browser or app and enter the Lemonade website or launch the app. Enter your email address and password, then click on the login button. Once logged in, navigate to the policy section on your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Homeowner Insurance and select it. You will see a summary of your policy details on this page. Review the coverage start date and policy number for accuracy. Check the coverage limits to ensure they meet your current needs. Find the section indicating any endorsements or additional coverages included in your policy. If you need to verify specific details, click on each coverage type for more information. Next, to verify your payment status, navigate to the billing section. Here, you can see your payment history and upcoming payment due dates. If necessary, update your payment method or billing information to avoid coverage lapses. For additional questions, utilize the Help Center or contact Lemonade customer support through the app. You can also view your policy documents under the Documents tab for a complete overview. Once you've confirmed your policy details, log out for security. Always remember to periodically check your insurance policy for any changes or updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.